Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to present an interview about the impact of globalization on local culture. So, globalization brings people closer, but it also changed many aspects of our local tradition and lifestyle. To understand this better, I'll be interviewing my friend who will share his opinion and experience about these issues. So, let's start the discussion. Hello, Lukman.
Halo Fatia. Ya.
Please introduce yourself to the camera.
Okay, as you know all, my name is Lukman Ripani. Yeah, you know me, right? So I don't think I will give you extra introduction. So let's start to the point.
Okay. The first point is what come to your mind when you hear the word globalization?
Okay, the first time our topic is about globalization, right?
Yes.
So, what comes in my mind when I hear or listen the word globalization is like uh, we can to think or to understand that globalization is comes from the word globe. So as we know that globe is the meaning is bola dunia, right? So we can understand that globalization is things in this world is spreading to entire world, to the other places, to the other country, to the other this culture is spreading to the other culture, or this thing in the what the meaning bagian in the well yes, yes, in the bagian of the world is spreading to the other place like that.
Okay. So
Yeah.
globe in your mind is spreading the culture
Yes.
to others.
Yeah.
Culture, I don't know, yeah, something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, something
So,
like that.
do you think globalization is a good or bad thing?
I think we have to think again, think more when we judge. Uh, is this thing good or bad? So if you want to judge the globalization is good for us or is it bad, we have to think with other perspective.
Yeah.
We can tell the globalization has a good function or a good impact to our life, but also we can say that globalization has another side, and that is bad side to us. So uh, when we say it, it's a good it's a good side, the good side from the globalization is we can learn more from the culture that we don't know before. So example is like we are from Indonesia, right? So the Western has its own culture,
Yeah.
and our Indonesian, of course, has original culture, right?
Yeah,
So
that's right.
with the globalization, we can know the American culture, the Western culture, and we can learn more about it. So the more we learn, the more we earn, right?
Yeah.
So when we think about the good side of the globalization, is it's like we can do if you know like akulturasi Indonesian, it's like mixing between one culture to one culture with one culture. You mix that two different cultures to be a one good cultures, one
Okay.
new culture. So we can have one new culture with mixing the two different cultures with globalization. Of course we can't know the new culture without globalization, right? So
Yes,
that is
right.
good impact from globalization to our culture. But every good things has a bad things, you know.
Yes, that's
Uh,
right.
uh, the bad impact of the globalization to especially in our culture. It's like you know, when the new culture enters uh, our old culture, the society will learn more about new culture or even try it. So the old one is will be disappear uh, little by little. So
Yeah.
the original of the old culture is disappear little by little until it's finished at all. You know, uh, that that is what happened in our country right now. So
Yes.
Indonesian country has a, I think, is very good culture from the art culture or even the behavior culture. So when the Western culture enters our society, so it changed our culture a bit, you know, a bit more until it's vanished like it's never before. So I think it's one of the bad sides of the globalization, and also the bad impact of globalization is like you know, when we start to learn, when we start to know about new things, it's like just like example, when we start to know, when we start to learn a new culture, we get more perspective, you know,
Yeah.
we get more perspective to faces our old one, our old cultures. So the bad impact is we can insult our old cultures. So we can, you know, like underestimate the old culture. So it's like, oh, the Western culture is more is better than our Indonesian culture. So I think Indonesian culture is bad. You know, I think I have lived the Indonesian culture right now
Oh
and
my God.
change to the Western culture.
And
In this
yeah.
example, is an extreme thought about the bad impact of globalization. I think it's happening today right now. So like uh, right now, the youth or the, as we can say, is Gen Z is like you know, change their culture, change their behavior from the Eastern one, as we can say Indonesia, to the Western one. It's like a pop culture, or even some people say it's Kena, but I think it's it's destroying uh, our old culture that have um, that is the, you know, the warisan ya, yeah, like that
Yeah, yeah, like something like
yeah,
that.
something like that that we have from our ancestor, you know, like it's like it's just, I think it's sad, you know, when you know the youth is uh, go from the old cultures that originally from their country to the new ones that we don't know the the original from it, so we just take it and do it, do the new cultures without any further thinking. So I think like that.
Okay, so you think that globalization is a bad side and good side, right? The good side is like you can know and learn a new culture, but the bad side is our old culture will be disappear, right?
Yes.
So the way to spread the new culture, you can use social media, right?
Mhm.
So how do social media and the internet influence how people view their own culture?
Okay. I think the social media impact for every single human being is very very big. It's like every particular activities that we do today is mostly influenced by social media. you know
Yes. Yeah.
Even when we start uh, start from we wake from our sleep until we
Sleep
sleep.
again.
Yes, sleep again at that night. Mostly that activities is influenced by the social media.
Yeah.
Like we we do something. I think I can't give a specific example, but it's like that. You
Yeah.
understand. And it also uh, be in our cultures. uh, the social media or the internet is the gate to globalization to enter to our country. That is the prior gate to globalization. uh we in this place that is further away with the 100 or even 1,000 kilometers, we can't know what happens there without
Yes. Yes.
being there. So we can know the culture in America without even be in
Be in
America.
America.
So
Yeah.
I think the impact of the culture change of the from the social media is very big. Uh, the I think we can realize that every youth is mostly never go to American or go to Western, but their styles, their behavior is very very same like an American.
Yes.
If we realize and if we think where it is behavior, where it is new culture come from, and the answer is from the social media,
Social media.
because all of us as a youth must have this,
Yes.
you know
Smartphone.
smartphone. And we is it the general truth that we not use the smartphone for just contact or calling our friends or our family. We usually do surfing
Yeah. Social
in social
media.
media, or like doom scrolling.
Yeah.
No, nah, from that scrolling and doom surfing, just surfing in the internet or the doom scrolling, we get the new information, we get the new cultures from the Western, and our brain stimulated us to do that culture.
Yeah.
So when we do that culture that's stimulated from our brain, we are doing the change little by little to vanish our old culture. So that is impact the social media for the globalization in our culture. Because the conclusion is it's like this: the social media is the primary gate or prior gate to globalization to enter in our country. you know that is my statement. about the social media, the social media impact for Indonesian yeah, for our
Our
culture.
culture. Okay. So, how do you personally try to balance global influence with your local identity?
Uh, I never do the. I think mostly today we if we realize or not, we just do a little culture from ourselves. It's like we most of us is doing the Western culture by not by on purpose, but it's do it is done automatically in our life.
Yeah.
So I think I don't know the balance or the center line between the globalization or the new culture and the old culture from us. But I think if we want to make a balance from the two sides, we have to know every particular things from the two sides also. We have to know what is Indonesian culture is and what is the Western culture is, so we can disparate it and make it balance. So we can't vanish our old culture, right? But we can we also but we can to just throw the globalization from the Western culture, and the key to make it balance, like I said, is to know every particular cultures from our side and their side. So if we know the particular side of any each other, we can make it balance and we can applicate it in our life. So we know, oh, that is the Indonesian culture and that is the Western culture. So we have to make it balance, but the balance is about to take the good ones from each side. So I think the key is to, it's like you have to know every particular from each side, and you have to take the good ones from each side. I think that is two keys to balance the globalization and our culture.
Okay, so we have to know every particular of
Yes.
the new culture, but we have to take the good one.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all for our interviews today about the impact of globalization on local culture. And from this discussion, we can see that globalization brings both positive and negative effects.
Yes.
It connects us to the world, but it can also weaken our local traditions if we are not careful. So thank you so much to Lukman for
Thank you so
sharing
much
your
for
thoughts.
Patian.
Yeah, and thank you to everyone who's watching this video. I hope this interview helps us to appreciate and preserve our local culture while adapting to global change. So thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See you on another video. Semoga nggak ada video lain.